What's up guys, in today's video I have the Mi 11X and this is one of the best phones with Snapdragon 870 processor. So in today's video I'm gonna unbox this brand new phone. I just purchased it today itself, and let's just unbox and see what are the things which are really good. On the back, as you guys can see, it has a Snapdragon 870, it has 120Hz Super AMOLED dot display, and the best part is its battery charging is 33 watts fast charging, and it also has a 4020 mAh battery. I know some people might say it's not 5000, but it is enough for day-to-day normal usage, and considering the Snapdragon 870 is very power efficient, it is gonna last very long. So now let's just unbox the smartphone and break the seal. So here I have a very usual knife which a lot of you might be familiar with. So I'm gonna break the seal here. Here you go. And there you go. So we have broken the seal and now we're gonna unbox the smartphone. So let's go. Here we have a bit of packaging which is never gonna be used later. Let's just remove it from the box. There you go. And now we have the box itself, and let's just open the box. For the moment of truth, we are really just in. There you go. And here we have an amazing designed by Xiaomi. Let's just lift it up, remove this, and oh my god, here is our phone. Let's just take it out and see. First of all, wow, that's a beautiful phone. Like honestly, it looks very beautiful. As you guys can see, the camera module here is looking very beautiful. This is a glass back design, so I'm gonna go in just a second. Let's just see what's inside. Let's just keep the phone, and here in the box, let's just try to see what is inside the box. So we have some normal stickers, I guess that's normal paper. We have this 33 watt fast charger. Let me take it out. Okay, yeah, here we have a 33 watt fast charger. This is actually the same charger we have in the Poco X3 Pro. It's a very fast charger, believe me, like within 1 hour this phone is gonna be 100. So that's one thing. And then we have this USB Type-C cable which is provided by Xiaomi itself. Amazing cable, of course. It is having that orange accent here which is very gaming style. Let's just keep all of these aside and see the phone for a second. So there's nothing in the box right now. So let's just keep all of these aside and see this phone for a second. So here is the smartphone itself. Okay, first impressions, looking absolutely gorgeous. Let's just take out this peel here and see the smartphone. So just peel and see how well the smartphone is. So wow, that is one of the most satisfying sounds, you know. Oh, there you go. I can feel the glass is of very high quality, as you guys can see. And here is the smartphone. Amazing smartphone. So here is the smartphone turning on right now, and it is Mi, of course. This is the first boot. It might take up a bit of time. This is having a Super AMOLED display, as you guys can see. The blacks are deep black, and yeah, it is looking pretty awesome. And there's a pre-applied screen protector. That's awesome. Like the screen won't get scratches because there is a pre-applied screen protector. That's one of the best things. It's running MIUI 12.5. So I'm gonna set it up later in the next video and I'm gonna talk to you about all the features. So that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.